Hey y'all, Jason Pena, co-founder over here at Braustin Mobile Homes. I know everybody was real excited we were going to have our grand open at our sales lot over in Poteet, Texas. We had a few delays with our electrical company, but no worries. We started this company to be able to help as many families as we can, and we're not going to let any delays slow us down.
We started this company with a focus on helping as many families as we could become homeowners. What we specialize in is factory-built, manufactured housing. And the reason we chose to go down that road, there's just a lot more families that can afford a $50,000 home as opposed to a $200,000 or $300,000 house. And that's where we thought the biggest need was in the industry. Helping hard-working folks that are just trying to achieve the American dream, and that's really our favorite thing about what we do.
I hadn't seen the smile on her face like that since the day we said the I do's, and that was one of the best feelings I could have ever had.
It was more personal.
Yeah, he made some true friends.
Yeah.
He really did. I recommend him to anyone.
It feels like this house is meant for us and this lot is meant for us. Let's keep fighting. And that's what we did. We didn't let it overwhelm us.
Braustin culture is never selling to anyone. We're human beings and we want to connect with other human beings.
The two brothers, Jason and Alberto, and how they were talking about the business, I thought more about it and thought maybe this is something I could do.
It's just such a great feeling knowing that the impact I have can be met at such a larger scale with this company.
Working with everybody here is pretty great.
When a house is delivered and set, we kind of go out and finish the inside and exterior seam of the house when they're joined.
One of the things that really attracted me to Braustin was the customer testimonials that you guys have. That kind of customer loyalty and enthusiasm about a company says that they're really doing something right.
We have the opportunity to put a family in a home where their children have a place to sleep every night, a roof over their head, something impactful, something meaningful, something that can change the path of an industry that's been here for so long and making a difference. That's what I want to be a part of. That's what I'm working towards, building and contributing to within Braustin Homes.
Thank you, Braustin.